Hey y'all, so right now I'm just going to do a short video me going to get my hair done. As you can see, my hair look like crazy. So it's early in the morning, around 9:30 something. I'm going to get my hair done and I'm gonna leave you guys here so you can see how they do box braid. And if you already know how they do box braid, then like you. So without further ado, I'm already on my way. I have like 6 minutes to get there. I can't wait to see myself in box braid. I don't like getting box braid. You guys, my hair is so soft. And as you guys know, I did a big chop. And look at my hair. It's really long already. Look at this. Oh my god, my hair grew up so fast. So make sure you go check out my big chop. I'm already there. I'm getting my hair done. As you can see, she's just taking part of the hair that she's going to do first and twist it around. I really never know that you can do that before you do hair, but today I learned something new. So you guys see that before she start doing my hair, she's twisting the hair that she gonna do. I really don't know how to explain this. I wish we had a time that we can explain. She can explain you, not me, because I'm worse on explaining. But you guys see that she's twisting the hair, and she just took some part of the hair so she can do it quickly. I know other people, they just go ahead and start doing hair, but for her, she twists the hair first. And now she's going to take another part of the hair. I think it's more easier and quicker. So that's why she did that. And I love this way. My hair didn't hurt. Yes, my hair didn't hurt. But at first it hurt because she used the African way. You know, the African way, you take the hair and then you twist the other hair around. It really hurt that way. But I don't know how they say Kenyan or American way. When she switched to Kenyan or American way, it didn't hurt that much. You know, your hair still hurt, but not really like the African way. So I can tell that this is the best way you can start doing box braids. Here she's doing the Kenyan or American way. I don't know the name. If you know the name, please help me and comment down below. How do you call that type of style? But she's just taking one part of the hair that she just twisted and add the other hair on top, which is really easy. This is the African way. As you can see, she's twisting the hair around my hair, and that's the part that hurts. That really hurts because I don't know why, but that way really hurts. So we're just showing you guys two ways you can do your hair, either Kenyan or American way, or you can do it the African way, which is the one she just finished doing right now. But I will commend you to be doing your hair or to do somebody's hair in Kenyan or American way. It's more easier and the hair doesn't hurt. African way, oh my god, you cannot sleep. If you don't want to sleep overnight, do the African way. Sister, you're not going to sleep. So make sure when you're doing somebody's hair, you do the American or Kenyan way. It's really helpful and it's really easier for somebody to take a nap. Trust me. So don't do African way. Please don't do it to nobody's head. Please. You can see that the American or Kenyan way really looks so good and it doesn't hurt that much like the African way, sis. I wanted to get my favorite color in my hair, so I decided to take green instead of orange or yellow. So it's really looking good. I love it. I love mixing colors. I don't know why, but it looks cute. She's done doing my hair. Right now, she's just cutting the top hair that be staying on top so it will look more cute. We come over here. The worst part that I don't like, but I have to do it. This part, guys, oh my god, you feel like you're burning. Right here, she just took some she took hot water and put my hair inside so it look more shiny and it won't hurt me, so I can sleep at night and it won't hurt me that much. And that also helps the top hair to also don't show. As you can see, the top hair is not showing like it was before. So use hot water is really helpful, really, really helpful. This is the best part when I go get my hair done. Like, this is the best part that I like. As y'all can see, my edges is on fleek. She slayed my edges, trust me, she really did. And y'all cannot see my edges that much because I didn't want my edges to show that much. I didn't want it to be out that much because I don't like doing edges. I will try this time, but I don't like doing edges, and I think it's because I don't know how to do it. I try, but I don't know how to do it, period. And as y'all can see, she's taking her time to do these edges. She's not rushing. Y'all be rushing doing your edges. That's why your edges don't be looking cute. And as you can see, she using her hand to help her hold the edges. And right now she just making sure she take off all those top hair so I can look more pretty. Oh my god, I love the hair. It's looking cute. Now she's doing the last part, and the last part is to spray my hair, and the spray helps your hair to shine. So make sure you spray people's hair. And y'all, please don't comment and say big forehead, because if you do, I'm just going to say don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Anyway, this is all for this video, guys. Please make sure you like, comment, share it to your friend, and subscribe for more videos. I love y'all.